Mastering Summarization and Paraphrasing. The Power of Feedback. Hello learners. Welcome to our session today on seeking feedback and making improvements. In this video, we will focus on how to improve your summarizing and paraphrasing skills. Remember, summarizing and paraphrasing are fundamental skills for understanding and communicating in English, and feedback is a crucial element in improving these skills. So, without further ado, let's get started. When you're trying to improve your summarizing and paraphrasing skills, feedback is key. It helps you understand where your strengths lie and where improvements can be made. With constructive feedback, you can understand the points you might have missed or misinterpreted, correct the mistakes, and apply this learning to your future exercises. Seeking feedback is an active process. Start by sharing your work with others. This could be a teacher, a classmate, a language partner, or even an online language learning community. After sharing your work, ask for specific feedback. You might want to know if your summary or paraphrase accurately represents the main idea, or if you have included the necessary supporting details. Ask them to point out any areas that seem unclear or incorrect. Now that you've got the feedback, it's time to use it for improvement. Review the feedback carefully and identify the areas for improvement. For instance, you might have missed a key point or misunderstood the original text's meaning. Make note of these errors and work on improving. This could involve revisiting the original text, practicing more with similar texts, or seeking further clarification on confusing points. Remember that improvement doesn't come overnight. It's about continuous practice. With every summary and paraphrase you create, seek feedback and apply the lessons learned. Gradually, you'll notice that you're making fewer mistakes, capturing main ideas and supporting details more accurately, and communicating more effectively in English. And that's a wrap on our session about seeking feedback and making improvements in summarizing and paraphrasing. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the importance of feedback and how to use it effectively. Remember, improvement is a journey, not a destination. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving. Happy learning!